Alright, going to do a little quick test here with the Vienna Plus Super Automatic. Just basically fresh beans versus old beans. So I just got, nothing special, just the Trader Joe's cheapest beans you can get. But I opened them yesterday, so they're pretty fresh. And then I've got some store-bought, maybe they're a month old. I opened it a month ago, and I know I can't brew it quick and then change beans out of the hopper to really compare it simultaneously, but we'll kind of give it a little shot. Obviously, even these aren't that fresh, so if you have a local roaster, you're gonna get much better product than this. But anyways, we'll do like a 2 ounce. So just using this single cup instead of 2 glasses. But you can see that's, well, it's smelling really good, and it's got some pretty good crema on top. And to me looks like a nice Guinness beer. So, I want to drink it, but I want to save it. So I gotta be quick. I gotta empty the hopper, drain tray, take the thing out, dump the beans, put the other ones in. Stand by. Alright, that took about a little over a minute, so here we go with the old beans. And voila. So you can see, yeah, I mean, it still looks decent, but smelling wise, there's a huge difference. So on the right's the stale beans, or on the right's the fresh beans, but the camera shows a fairly good comparison. Month old and day old, much bitter, but still, what's funny is it's still better than some of the shots I pay for at coffee shops. But I'll have to try to think of a better way to get even fresher beans for my machine, but I don't know where that is.